What's up, guys? It's been forever since I made a hair video, so I thought I would just jump back in and do a bounce curl haul. Every once in a while I do a massive bounce curl haul, so I figured I would just go ahead and show you guys what I got and maybe make some more hair videos. So this is the inside of the box. As you can tell, I got a lot of goodies and I'm actually excited to try some of this new product. Of course, I'm just going to jump right in and start with conditioner, because when you are a curly girl, you need your conditioner. So I just went ahead and bought 2, I think. I lied, I bought 3 because you could never have too much conditioner. And yeah, the one I got is the Super Smooth Cream Conditioner. I know they have other conditioners, but this is the one that I ended up going with. So I got the detox kit. So this is a turmeric and purifying hair mask, and you can buy it by itself or you can buy it with this kit, and the kit comes with that and then this deep conditioner. I also like to just have this as well, so I usually will buy more than one deep conditioner and just one of these. This is really great when you have a lot of buildup in your hair, whether that's oil, product, all those type of things. This is a really good detox mask. You can literally feel it in your scalp and everything. So definitely recommend both of these products. Then going back to conditioners, I got 3 leave-in conditioners because a girl could just never have too much. So I use this in my daily, not daily, but like when I do my curl routine. This is the first product that goes into my hair before I do their cream and an oil. So highly recommend trying their leave-in conditioner if you haven't tried it already. Then for shampoo, they have 2 kinds, but the one I got is the Pure Silk Moisturizing Shampoo. So I got 2 bottles of these. And then this is their other shampoo, which is the Gentle Clarifying Shampoo. So these are their 2 shampoo options that you can get. I like both. I can't, like, the texture is slightly different with the soap, but I honestly recommend both of them. I think it's just more so what you're going for. And then of course I have their Avocado Clump Defining Cream. This is the second step that I typically do when I do my hair. So as you can see, the curls that I have right now has their leave-in conditioner and has that clump cream. I am like a mixture of 3B, 3C curls, and those 2 products are my go-to. And then the last thing I put is an oil, and I usually do Curlsmith's oil. Okay, now for the exciting part. These are the 3 new products that I just got that is not like a part of my normal order. So the first thing I got was these mittens. They are equivalent to using a microfiber towel, but I figured it would be super cool to try their mittens. They had good reviews, so obviously you just put it on your hand and you scrunch your hair that way. I want to see if it absorbs more water and also helps the curls not be as frizzy, because the microfiber towel I use now is good, but this just feels a lot softer, so I'm hoping it can kind of help maintain and not get, like, let me get frizz. So I will definitely do a review after I try these for a little while. Lastly, I got these 2 brushes, and I'm probably the most excited for these 2. One is a defined edge lift brush and the other is a volume edge lift brush. So I want to try the 2 of them like individually and then also compare, do one side of my head with this one and one side of my head with this one, and see the difference, if it's like which one's better for my hair texture. If you're interested in seeing that video, comment down below and I will get that out for you guys. So let's go ahead and look at them. They're actually made pretty well. Like, the brush handle and everything feels extremely sturdy. So this is what the pink one looks like. And they do both come in the same colors, but I wanted to get a different color for either side so that I can like tell the difference between the 2. And then there's this one. So off the bat, I can tell that it looks like the volume edge brush, these ridges are a lot closer together. And then for the Define Edge brush, the ridges are further apart, but they're also a lot chunkier. The tops look the same to me. The handle bottoms look the same. And then for the Define Edge lift brush, the bristles in here are different. So as you can see, they're coupled with the little pink, I forgot what these are called. And then these are like closer together and the bristle itself is actually tougher. So, and they're also further apart for the pink one. So yeah, I'm very excited to see the Define brush versus the Volume brush. If you guys are interested in seeing the comparison, let me know. But yeah, that is my current Bounce Curl haul, and I was so excited to get these products. I did purchase them all myself. This is not sponsored, but this has been the one hair brand that I consistently have used throughout the years that has honestly made my curls pop, and definitely recommend this company. So thank you guys for watching, and I will hopefully see you guys soon. Bye!